If you're in debt, being harassed by collectors, or buried by a credit score that's wrecking your life, you've probably been lied to. They don't want you to know that you can demand proof before paying, that some debts can't legally be collected, that your state might require collectors to be licensed, and most aren't. That's where we come in. The Debt Revolt exists to help you fight back. With the law, not guesswork. We teach you how to stop illegal collections, clean up your credit report, and protect your rights without falling for repair scams. Every week, we're dropping videos that break down real strategies you can use, backed by facts, not fluff. What's coming? A 50-state series showing how debt laws change depending on where you live. Scripts and letters that stop collectors cold. Deep dives into FDCPA FCRA and the tactics they don't want you to know. We also offer a $99 one-on-one consultation for people ready to fight back now, and a $29 a month plan that gives you the tools to do it yourself. This is about taking back control, not just over your credit, but over your future. You were never powerless, you were just uninformed. This is the Debt Revolt, and it starts with you.